expensive. Unique.
What's up, guys? It's your boy T. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, today we'll be creating a drift car. We'll be creating a drift car for speed heat. You know what I'm saying? Got the BMW M5, as you can see here. It is, nigga. This is it. We're gonna make a drift car out of it. I mean, we got enough money. We got 7 million. We got enough money to make a drift car. So yeah, my mistake. So we're just gonna pull out there by my garage and see what we can do to this beast. You can have this work, because it's how it drifts before it gets customized. This is how it drifts. So yeah, we're gonna be creating a drift car out of this beast, and this drift probably may drift like a red car, but it's gonna drift definitely. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today in this video.
Oh, nice wheels!
So yeah, we got tons of cars. I mean, like, we got 28 cars plus this one. You know what I'm saying? We got tons of cars. Here's my where's the band? Where's the C63 coupe from 2018? This is my first drift car, guys. It works perfectly for those drift races that you have. Yep, you got that right. So yeah, this is what we're going to be customizing today. We're going to get a new engine, the most powerful, which is like $620,000. What are you doing? I'm a reckless money spender when it comes to these kind of things, guys. Forgive me. And then we're gonna put Eli Plus just to increase the performance of a car. No. Oh my god. Sort of like this is the highest. This is not the highest by both of these niggas are like crap. These guys really have turbo. I just like the supercharger. I just like the supercharger to be honest. Oh yeah, this is the highest. Yeah, so these two, and then this one is like, so I don't know. I'm gonna go for the roots supercharger. Doesn't have to be fast, it just have to drift. That's what we do. We're gonna put the 12 labs, one 12 labs box of nitro. If you want me to say it like that. So this is where we have to look at that small box right there. We can see that's moving little dot. So you just have to make sure it's a drift. So we're just gonna put a speed cross suspension now. It's gonna reduce our speed and put us back to 316, but that's it doesn't matter. You're just gonna put in drift tires. Drift tires, make sure it's a drift tires. Elite, Elite Plus. Now the clutch. And now we're gonna leave it at speed 7. You might. Nah, I think it's fine, dude. I think it's fine. Doesn't have to go straight at drift, because if it does, it's gonna drift like down. It's gonna drift like drift. But let's try it out. We'll take it out if you like it. In case of cop races and cop chases, whatever, I just like to put into the perkins. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and there's this nitrous extra mix that you like on it, because in every car that I have it's like that. Yeah, it's like that. So yeah, now we'll be customizing the body. I like to start with the exhaust sound. So we're gonna choose that. Oh my god. Oof. I just like that bar. Wait, hold up. Nah, I like it close. Oof. Oh my god. I'm gonna go suspension. I like the car hard when it comes to drift cars, so I'm just gonna open it up because it seems like it's like this. It's like closed up like that. So we're just gonna, you can see what I mean. Look from the back. Nah, the front is best line. Let's see. You see, it's like golden inside of the body. Now the car straight tires all the way. So the backfires, oh dude, in every car that you hear, backfires do like boom, like a balloon. Nah, we don't change the smoke. No air suspension. I don't like air suspension. It's just useless. Nitrous, nah. The paint though. If we go over here and go back to gloss and like, let's see. Should we make it real white? White or red? Let's see, red. The reason why this color's not bright is because of this saturation and the brightness. Oh yeah. But nah, it's too saucy. It's too saucy. Nah, it's too saucy. Let's see how the color. For a drift car, honestly, I like white colors, so I'm just gonna go for the white. Yep, I'm just gonna put yeah, the gloss white is for me. See all these cars that are here, you understand? Every car that is here is in the garage. Every car you see there is in the garage, man. Hey, she's gonna save changes. No. What did I just do? Gonna go back to one. You save. Oh, you just back out. Go to the best part of customizing the car. Yes. What is it? What the need for speed call that? Nah, I'm good with the original. Let's see the splitter. Yeah, the splitter. Just gonna use this one because use that. Go for the purplish tint. Purplish. Nah, it's right as black. Nah, I did that already. Nah, it's not for this car. Not for the purpose of the car, please. Are you going to put a white body kit for the car? Yeah, I think a white body kit is cool for me. For me, I don't know about y'all, but I think it's gonna have to go with the. Nah, it doesn't, cause they're all whack. You know what I'm saying? They're all whack. Hey, wait. Definitely, carbon fiber. Definitely, that's. Nah, I think this one is car. Yeah, I'm just gonna randomly push this. Light body key. We're gonna come to the back. Do them. Nah. Let's just put them rear black. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna come to the tires. Don't worry about that. Whack again. Okay. I'm gonna come down here. For the split, for the diffuser, the diffuser. I think I like this one. Yeah. Let's do it. Okay, the exhaust. 5. I think it's fine with me there. And the rims, what I like to do to original rims, if there is no other BM wheels, I just change the thing to a completely carbon to all rims. Same here. Now carbon, all rims. That's good. But I want to make it look like a race, a drift car. Sorry. We be using these kind of tires that are finished so that it looks reasonable. Ah, this is too smooth. Yeah. We're gonna go to the front side. Do the same thing. Yep. Listen to the sound. I'm not sure about the spoiler. I like these ones. Same as the other car. What is the other drift car? What is the other drift car? It's gonna be D&D for the drift cars. That's what I did also on the C63. Using this black number. And this D&D like that. I think we're done. Yep. I don't know, but yeah, I think we're done. Let's go try this beast. So yeah, this is how I usually spend my day playing NFS HEAT. This is us, man. This is us. Hope you guys are having a great day. I just hope you're having a great day. Oh my God, I'm having a great day too. It's a Friday. It's you know what I'm saying? It's poppy. Oh my God, listen to that song. Using these hits are awesome. I can hear this side and this side while I spin the car like that. It's that side. Nah, it's this side. So yeah. Let me try this car out. I'm warning you guys up. Forgive my driving, cause sometimes I just drive all the crap. Even on online, you know, I just drive all the crap. But yeah, anyways, we here. Let's go. See that sound. Oh my God, sorry. Come on, let's go with these. What are you doing? What I like doing best again is coming up here. I'm wrong. I'm lost. Very much lost. Go ahead, live tuning. Go to steering sensitivity, which is high, and downforce, which is low. They're low downforce. Traction control is off. Yes. Back. doing? Oh yes, that's good. By the way, guys, thank you for watching my video. Thank the Lord. Thank you for watching my video. This is the end of the video. Thank you, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video if you liked it. If you didn't, appreciate it for watching the whole video. Thanks, guys. This is me.